It's sad to say, but the name Austin Forkner is almost, you hear this, you think of big crashes, and it sucks because this year he looked like he was back. He had the speed, he had the red plate, he looked like the guy who he should have been, for multiple years. It's just injury after crash, and it sucks to say because he is super talented, he is super fast, he is the guy when on the bike to be the one to compete with, to be, he's going to be out front, he's going to be quick. And it just sucks to see every single year something like this happens. He gets into a big crash and it just derails everything again and again. And at least it's good. The good thing is he did get up, or he's at least standing, and you can tell, they have the neck brace on him. I can't believe that they stood him up that quickly. But it sucks for him, coming into this year. He's getting older. He's been in the 250 class for a very long time now. And to get the first win and to be, the guy again, to look fast, have the red plate, come into the second round and be the guy who, looks like he should be winning the championship, get out front, look super fast, have 3 seconds on Deegan, and just, he looked like the guy who should have been winning. And then this, it sucks. Every single year, something happens, and you never want to see anybody get hurt. At least in my mind, the more people you have, the better the competition is, the better it's going to be to watch, and the championships mean more because you're beating the best. And it sucks for him that this always happens, and hopefully he's fine next weekend. Um, this isn't as bad as it looks. If and when there's an update on his condition or whatever, I'll make another video about it. But I don't know, comment down below whatever you want. What do you think of Arlington? Who do you think's going to win the championship now, if he is injured, or if he's not? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.